In today's work-from-anywhere economy, businesses and nonprofits need to rethink the fundamentals. With a complete shift in where and how people get connected to the work they do, there is an opportunity to rethink the fundamentals of remote connectivity with cybersecurity built in it. We need to be just as secure out of the office as in the office. We need to be able to access systems no matter where they are. We need to have solutions that have smart and total protection built in, not an afterthought. But we still need to run our businesses and nonprofits in a secure manner. It's a new world with new risks. In the work-from-anywhere economy, threats can come from anywhere too. Cyber criminals and nation-state cyber attackers have changed the way they work. The threats are changing just as fast or even faster than businesses. Cybercrime has grown to a $600 billion plus industry. Attacks are rapidly changing. However, networks have remained the same. The modern business is more connected than ever. Cloud services, multiple office locations, shared office space, home offices, and mobile devices create an infinite combination of entry points for attackers. We need a solution that allows employees to connect with ease, no matter where they work, how they work, or when they work. It's time to move beyond the traditional office network. It's time for a secure global network.